Excuse me, what's your name, please?
My name is Ánh.
So your name is Ánh, isn't it?
Yes,
Where you come from, Ánh?
I come from Taiping province.
Taiping province.
That's right.
How often do you visit your family?
Once a month, I visit my family once a month.
Once a month.
That's right.
You miss your family?
Yes, I do. I miss them very much.
Tell me about your family. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my sister, and I.
There are 4 people in your family. Your mother, your sister, your father, and you.
Yeah, that's right.
Tell me about your father.
My father's name is Ben. He's 45 years old. He's a farmer and he's working on a farm. He's very kind and generous. He's at home now.
Your father's name is Tân.
Yes,
He's a farmer and he's working on a farm.
that's right.
How old is he?
He's 45 years old.
55 years old.
No, 45 years old.
45 years old.
Yes.
How about your mother? Tell me about your mother.
My mother's name is Mão. She's 41 years old. She's a farmer and she's working on a farm. She's very easygoing and careful. She's at home with my father now.
Your mother's name is Mão.
Yes,
She's a farmer and she's working on a farm.
that's right.
How old is she?
She's 41 years old.
41 years old.
That's right.
How about you? Tell me about yourself.
My name is Ánh. I'm 21 years old. I'm a student and I'm studying at the Academy of Finance. I'm very kind and humorous. I'm in class now.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
21 years old.
Yes.
What do you do?
I'm a student and I'm studying at the Academy of Finance.
So you're a student and you're studying at the Academy of Finance.
That's right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.